Affordable ERP software for small business. How to choose the right ERP without overpaying. The growth paradox shows that success can strain basic systems. As operational volume increases, businesses hit a, quote, friction ceiling. Basic systems fail to keep up with increased sales, employees, and customer expectations. Recognize the symptoms of system strain: inventory problems, slow financial reporting, over-reliance on Excel, and departmental silos, leading to poor visibility and delays in critical decisions. Crossing the scalability threshold means moving from basic software and spreadsheets to a true ERP like SAP Business One. This provides a centralized platform, instant data visibility, real-time inventory control, and future readiness. SAP Business One transitions you from operational fragmentation to unified precision. It acts as the central hub, integrating key functions like finance, sales, inventory, and production, without enterprise-level complexity. The 6 pillars of SAP B1 value include process automation, unified management, and inventory optimization. It also provides financial control, real-time reporting, and comprehensive support for manufacturing and supply. SAP B1 is built for advanced operations, covering procurement and supply chain, material requirements planning, MRP, warehouse management, and fulfillment. It is a future-ready platform for multi-location manufacturing and distribution. Gain financial command and real-time visibility with SAP B1. It offers instant insights, total financial control over accounts, banking, and cash flow, and automated workflows to reduce manual errors. Don't fall for the affordability myth. The cheapest ERP often results in higher total cost of ownership over 5 years due to add-ons and system replacement. SAP B1 delivers long-term scalability without constant extra costs. The Kabeer strategic advantage lies in our proven information technology solutions. We seamlessly integrate all business data, leverage automation and design solutions specifically for small and mid-sized business growth. Our comprehensive implementation ecosystem includes SAP B1 implementation, customization, and integration. We ensure smooth data migration, thorough user training, and ongoing support for long-term growth. Kabeer Consulting Group offers global reach with local expertise, delivering world-class SAP solutions across North America, Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. The formula for the future-ready enterprise combines your business potential, the integrated SAP B1 architecture, and Kabeer's expertise, resulting in scalable, sustainable growth. Transform your ERP into a true growth engine. Stop managing spreadsheets and claim your free demo to see how SAP transforms your workflows. Contact Kabeer Consulting Group today.